right, now check it out. Ryan over at Cutaways has made a brand new real cutaway padlock. He takes real padlocks, your favorites really, and turns them into cutaways. And in my book, they're pieces of art, they're artwork, but of course you can use them for practicing, for figuring out how it works, or really just, having fun with them as well. So let's do this. I haven't opened this up yet. And so what I'll do is I'll take the camera, let's put it up top here, and together, let's open it up, check it out. I tell you what, this is the 8345 Abus padlock. It's really kind of like the go-to security professionals padlock for years and years and years. And it's gonna be fun. Let's do it. All right, so here we go. Let's open it up and take a look together. Here we go. Look at that. That's what we like to see. That's pretty cool looking. Let's take it out here. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks like the key. Here's the key here. Looks like it's an Abus key even, which is awesome. Let's take a look. Look at this here. All right, so once again here, I'll use this screwdriver here. Look, you can see, most importantly, right, you can see the entire cylinder here. And something that I've pointed out in other videos that Ryan has done is on the plug itself. Not only does he do, the entire, cylinder line here for each chamber, but he also mills on the plug. And so you really get, I don't think you can actually get a better look, at least that I know of, inside here. So that's super awesome. So we're going to open it up here in a minute, but of course you can see the locking balls on each side here all the way through. Look, he even gives you a little peephole in here to the actuator, which is awesome. And of course the shackle as well. So fun fact, if you've ever wondered how shackle changes work and all of that kind of stuff, using one of these is going to show you all that. But of course, picking and all the other stuff would be good as well. So, all right, let's have a little bit of fun here. Let's open this up. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn the key. And so as you can see there, check that out here. I got to get you a good view of that. Look at that. Look how you can see inside that in the whole chamber there. Pretty awesome. I love the view. So, and I don't know if you can see it, but like when I turn the key just a little bit and I look down in here, you can see the key, you can see the bottom pins, of course you can see all the spool pins up here. It's really awesome. Okay, it's really awesome. All right, here, let's go ahead and let's take it out. So I'm opening it up, I'm gonna undo this screw right in here, and let's take a look-ski. All right, here we go. Got the nice little Z-bar in the back. And let's take a look. All right, look at that. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I love everything that you can see here. So let's put the key in. Let's take a look. Let's turn it around a little bit. Look at that. So that is really great here. So let's put the Z-bar back in. All right. And then what we'll do is we'll put this back together here. So we're going to put it in like this. So look at that. You can even see the screw right down there. Hopefully you can see that good. With my finger holding the bottom here, just like you were rekeying it, right? So it's a really cool way you can learn how to rekey these padlocks. But truly, I think the most, there's a lot of different methods you can use with this, right? You can learn bypass methods, you can work on picking, that sort of thing, understanding how the lock works. But I think most importantly, kind of what I was alluding to just a few moments ago, which is like changing shackles and really understanding how that works is awesome for teaching someone new. Just working on these 8345 padlocks, I think can be very, very helpful to someone, right? It kind of takes the mystery out of it, of when you put it together, how it works. I mean, look at this little peephole here. That is so awesome. I tell you what, so awesome. So now, of course, before I lock it back up, I'm just going to make sure it turns, and it does. So we'll put this back together, of course, try it out. There we go. Check that out. Pretty awesome. I tell you, it's pretty awesome. All right. So there you have it. The 8345 brass padlock, Schlage C cylinder in here. And I tell you what, once again, Ryan, I think you did such a great job making this. And I mean, it's just so much fun to look at and play with, and of course, learn, right? Because that is what we are about here. Now, of course, I really want to know what you think in the comments below. Do you use cutaway padlocks like this for just overall training, for picking, for bypassing, maybe just because it looks awesome and you want to keep it around the shop? I would really like to know. And of course, if you want to purchase this or any of his other masterpieces, also known as cutaway padlocks, go ahead, attached to this video, you'll see links where you can buy them. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. and we'll see you next time. Congrats, you've made it to the end. Now, I want to make sure that when you are commenting on our videos that you include the hashtag Lockboss. When you do, you automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away every Tuesday live here on YouTube. So I look forward to reading your comment and responding soon. Until next time.